Hello everybody, it's Natasha. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the Felted Sky Painting with Wool Needle Felting Kit. This is the Grazing sheep. I got this from Timberdoodle, so I'm going to show you inside and what it comes with. It has linen fabric, an embroidery hoop, felting wool, 2 color-coded felting needles, beginner's guide to needle felting, detailed instruction sheet, and link to video instructions. It says not included a felting mat, but a felting mat did actually come with this. It just, from the Timberdoodle website anyways, it just did not come in the box. So I'm just gonna show you what's in the box. It says the kit is intended for adults and kids over 10 years who possess good manual dexterity, hand-eye coordination, and ability to work with focus and care. Caution, felting needles are sharp. So here are the contents. This is a great project to do for yourself as the mom or for your older tween or teen child. We've got the felter's finger guards. We've got a beginner's guide to needle felting. And we've got the grazing sheep instructions with the tutorial videos that it links to. And the instructions are awesome because it tells you a timestamp for each thing. So if you need to go back to a certain part, you can just go to that timestamp. We've got the felter's needles, felter's fleece. This is color Meadow. Felter's flowing wool, Raven. Felter's palette, Polar Bear. Cornflower. Log cabin. Leaf. Cypress. Baby blue. And lime. So at the end, when you have completed the project, it will look like this. It would make a great gift and a great decoration in your home. I'm going to leave the link down below where you can find this from the Timberdoodle's website. As always, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you love all things homeschool.